What's up, y'all? Let's get right into it. Today we're going to be doing flat twist with the rod at the ends. Many of you have been struggling with this, and I am here to ease your mind. So here we go. So right now we are working with semi damp hair. It is like 10% wet, so it's really not that wet, but because I like my hair to be stretched out, I don't like to do super duper wet twist outs because I like to have a lot of length. So we're going in with Healthy Motherfucking Hair Moisture Cream, the best twist out cream I've ever used, and it's going to give me the length that I want and the shine and the bounce at the same time. We went in here with I think this is about like a 2-inch part. The parts really don't matter as far as them being neat, but I'm doing the flat twist in the direction going towards my face, going downward. Flat twist is just like you're doing a twist, like a normal 2-strand twist, but except this time it's just on the scalp. So just do what you would normally do. Again, this does not have to be super duper neat, but of course you do want to have some type of uniformity with your twists. So pay close attention to this part. Using the lighter green flexi rods, they are the second smallest one, so they're the one that's bigger than the smallest one. You can get them from the beauty supply store or anything. So what I do is the corkscrew method when I'm doing the flexi rods, not really like a Shirley Temple curl. I just go in and wrap it around, twisting my wrist. Now we're on the second twist here, and you kind of want to think of it as like going into a pie. If you already have a great cut with your natural hair, it's going to look fabulous with the way that we are doing this. And again, we are going in with that flexi rod and we're just wrapping it around, twisting the wrist so that it'll have more of like a wand curl look. Do the same thing on the other side. Again, it's about a 2-inch part here, and I'm using my moisture cream going in. And for some reason, I twist way better on this side. I don't know if it's because I'm right-handed or whatever, but yeah, the twist on this side was way better than the other side. But don't worry about that. Just still go ahead and do it. Me personally, I love to do twist outs and braid outs on stretched hair. I'm just not a big fan of doing it while it's wet because I really like to see my volume and my length. I like my hair at the length that it is, and I like to see my curls in that way. This is optional, up to you. You can totally do it wet or do it dry or just on stretched hair. Either way, it's fine. Just make sure that the product that you're using isn't going to dry up, turn white, be flaky, or cause a lot of buildup. Now that we have all of the rods in, we're going to go ahead and go to sleep, okay? Yes, we're going to go to sleep with the scarf on or a bonnet. Either is totally up to you. I had these in for about a day and a half. I even went into the store like this. Yes, I did. No shame, okay? We're not going to judge today. But yes. Use your choice of serum or oil to unravel it. Totally up to you. But I'm just going in and unraveling it. I'm not really pulling apart too much because I do want these twists to last me some days. And then you know what? After that, you a bad bitch, okay? You look good. You feel good. Your hair thanks you, okay? Period. And you know it. Also wanted to mention that when you go in, you could use a pick or anything like that to go ahead and fill it out. Make sure it has enough volume to the volume that you like, and just go ahead and play with it and make it fun. Like, it's just bomb. Actually, this twist out rod set, whatever you want to call it, lasted me 5 days. Thanks again, guys, so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.